Within the exclusive residential development of Quivira Los Cabos is the 201-room tranquil oceanfront hideaway, Pueblo Bonito Pacifica Golf and Spa Resort. This modern and elegant adults-only resort is a romantic and memorable setting steps away from the sand. One of the offerings at the resort are cooking classes, where JauntTV learned how to cook fresh tuna on hot stones, with a homemade salad and dressing using some ingredients picked from their own gardens. Our first task was picking herbs and salad ingredients from the garden grounds, where we cleaned, separated, and ground the herbs in molcajete bowls. We seasoned the tuna with onions on top, but not without enjoying some chilled wine in the process. With tomatoes and chili added to our herbs, we then learned how to mash them properly to make the dressing. Using a hot stone, we placed the piece of tuna on it with some oil, searing it to perfection. The tuna is cut and plated with the fresh arugula salad picked from the garden, adding our homemade dressing, and our dish is complete.